So guys, normally when we select a face and try to subdivide it, as you can see that it's subdividing the face on both x and z axis. Suppose we want to subdivide it only on x axis. So for that, we know that this way is x axis. Now to subdivide the face on x axis, hold shift, select the upper edge and the lower edge, right click, subdivide. As you can see that the face is divided in only on x axis. Now if you want to subdivide it only on z axis, same way. Now we'll select the right edge and the left edge, right click, subdivide. It's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.